Imagine a world where energy comes at no cost, a world powered by an abundant, renewable, and free source. Can we create such a world using magnets? In the quest for free energy, magnets often emerge as a fascinating tool. To understand how we can harness their power, it's crucial to comprehend the basic principles of magnetism. A magnet possesses two poles, north and south. Similar poles repel, while opposite poles attract. This simple principle serves as the foundation for creating free energy. So, how can we use magnets to generate free energy? The first step involves constructing a magnetic generator. This device functions on the principle of perpetual motion. It works by arranging magnets in a circular pattern. Position them in such a way that their like poles face each other. This causes a constant state of repulsion, driving the continuous rotation of the generator. The second step is to connect this generator to a dynamo. A dynamo converts the mechanical energy from the rotating magnets into electrical energy. The third and final step is to store this electrical energy. Connect the dynamo to a battery or an inverter. This allows the energy to be stored for future use or to power electrical devices directly. The process may seem simple, but it's important to remember that it's largely theoretical. According to the laws of physics, specifically the second law of thermodynamics, a perpetual motion machine is impossible because it contradicts the fundamental principles of energy conservation. That said, the idea of using magnets for energy creation is fascinating, and it continues to spark curiosity and inspire research. To summarize, the concept of free energy from magnets involves creating a magnetic generator that uses the repulsion of like poles to create continuous rotation. This mechanical energy then gets converted into electrical energy by a dynamo, which can be stored or used directly. However, it's crucial to remember that this concept is largely theoretical due to the laws of physics, particularly the principle of energy conservation. As we continue to explore the frontiers of science, who knows what discoveries lie ahead? Perhaps one day we'll unlock the secret to free energy. For now, the quest continues.